Hello, fourth graders, Mrs. Nelson here, and we are going to be looking at perimeter. We're going to be finding the perimeter, the measurement of a rectangle, and we're looking at a 4-digit by 1-digit rectangle. Let's get started. All right, so we have our rectangle here. We have this guy, and we have this guy. So there's our 4 by 1. So let's go ahead and find perimeter. Now to find perimeter, remember, you need to add up all the sides. That's what you need to do. Now you can do this a couple different ways. You can multiply the two numbers that are the same, which I think is the easiest. Okay, so let's label our rectangle totally. So we have a 7,298 there, and we have 8 here. Now remember, this guy and this guy are the same, so you can either multiply or add them. I'm going to start by multiplying because we need to start using multiplicative situations. So this 7,298 times 2, because it's times 2. We're not finding area, we're just using this guy and this guy. And instead of writing 7,298 plus 7,298, which you can do 7,298 plus 7,298 and add them together. But in the end, it's really two groups of 7,298, which then gives you, then you can, I'm going to move that down just a little bit, you can do 7,298, and then you multiply that times 2. Okay, as you know, 2 times 7, so you'll multiply the 2 times the 7, and that is going to be, 14. 14. And then you have to look at how many zeros are behind it, and you say, oh, okay, there's 3 zeros, so I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 behind it. So I'll do that. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to fix my zeros there. I don't like how they're fixing out there. 1, 2, 3. So I have 3 zeros there. And then I have the next number. 2 times 2 is going to be 4, adding the 2 zeros behind it. So I have 2 zeros, 1, 2, and then I have the 4. 2 times 9 is 18, and then the 1 0, so I make sure I put the 1 0 here, and then the 18. And then I have the 2 and 8, which is 16, so I put the 16 there. And then I'm going to add these up. I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. So then I'm going to add from top to bottom, right to left. So I have top to bottom, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 6. Top to bottom, and that will be 9. And then top to bottom, that will be 5 and 4 and 1. So that's the first. Now I have the 8 plus 8. So then I have the 8 times the 2, or 2 times 8. Let me rewrite that, because it doesn't really matter, because they're flip-flops. 2 groups of 8. So I have the 2 groups of 8. Okay? And I have the 2 groups of 7,298. 2 groups. So 2 times 8 is 16. And then I'll add the 1,000, or the 14,596 plus the 16. And then I'll add that all up. And that'll be 6 plus 6. that will be 12, carry the 1, and then I have the 1 plus 9 plus 1 is going to be the 11, carry the 1, and then I'm going to add that, which is the 6, add the 4, that'll be 4, and drop the 1, and that'll be 1. So the perimeter, which is going to be the answer, will be 14,612. That is the perimeter. Questions, concerns? That's how you solve all 4-digit by 1-digit perimeter problems. All of them. Best of luck. Now, what I didn't show you is just adding them straight up. So if you are going to add them straight up, which I think you can do, you could do 7,298 plus 7,298 plus 8 plus 8. Okay? You could do that. Well, let's do it then. All right, so 8, 8, 8, 8, 8 right there. And then 8, 8, 8, 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 16 is 32. So we have 32, put the 2 here, carry the 3, and then we're going to add 3 plus 9 plus 9. So 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 3 more, 18, 19, 20, 21. So you have 21. Put the 1 down, carry the 2. Then we're going to go 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. So we're going to put the 6 down. And then we're going to add 7 plus 7. That's going to be 14. So you get the same answer no matter what way you do it. If you add or if you do multiplication, which is over here, and then add up the partial products. Either way, it's the same. But I recommend you do this guy, do that guy. This guy is what I'm looking for. Okay? This guy, you're better than that. You can do it, but this guy, no. Yes, this guy. That's what I'm looking for. Questions, concerns? I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.